Noah, what preconceived notion do you have about AP World History during the summer before the year started?
My preconceived notion as an eighth grader, going to ninth grade, taking my first college class, was that it was going to be very challenging and I would have a lot of work.
What was your first impression of Mr. DiBernardo as a teacher or person?
My first impression of Mr. D was that he was a very chill, nice guy, and if you needed extra help, he would always be there for you. Just trust the process.
Alex, what was your first impression of AP class after the first 10 days of academic challenges?
My first impression of the class after the first 10 days was that I might not be able to handle the workload throughout the year. But as the year progressed, I was able to manage it and things became easier.
What was the first major challenge you faced in this class?
The first major challenge I faced in this class was understanding, along with finding a schedule that was consistent. Once I started dedicating more of my time to this class while managing it better in general, things became easier.
Benjamin, what adjustments did you make during the first marking period to improve your performance?
Some adjustments that I had to make during the first marking period to improve my performance would be to stay on top of my work and not procrastinate so I would not fall behind.
As the year progressed, what style of studying for quizzes/tests worked for you best?
For me, studying for tests and quizzes, I reviewed the flashcards, which helped me learn everything I needed to know in the unit. Will, when and how did you realize you were improving? How did that make you feel?
I realized I was improving when I kept getting better and better scores on my tests and quizzes, and I was doing this by continuing to study daily and make sure I knew everything going on in the unit.
Did you work with other students in some kind of study group outside of class, school? What did that look like? Did it help you, and how?
Yes, after school I would work with other students about AP World, and I even came after school sometimes to work with Mr. in the library, which really helped me, because if I didn't understand something, he would help me understand it, which overall helped me a lot.
Nolan, describe your experience writing the DBQ essay.
At the beginning of the year, my DBQ was really bad, and it took a while to start to learn how to write the DBQ. But over time, my DBQ got better. Yeah.
Nolan, describe your experience writing the LEQ essay.
My experience writing the LEQ essay was that it takes a lot of prior knowledge to write it, and it is a very difficult thing to write, but you get used to it over time.
One last question. Describe your level of commitment at the end of the year for this class when studying for College Board.
My level of commitment really increased because of Mr. D. He really helps you lock in for the test, as he would say it.
And that is our end of the year slides. Thank